Hey guys, it's your buddy Oscar here again, and I wanted to tell you that I have just started a Patreon. That's right guys, I am now part of the Patreon family, and I hope that you guys can give your hearts and your support in getting me to keep bringing you some epic content of my cosplay journey. Honestly, I started doing cosplay back when I was about 18 years old. I was the shyest person in the world, so I cosplayed as Kakashi and basically covered my face because I was so shy. I didn't want the attention. But being part of cosplay and everything has opened me up to being around people and talking, especially in the cosplay world, and cosplaying as these different characters. As the years have gone by, I've just, cosplayed as different characters. I've done from Kakashi, I did some other characters from Naruto. One of my most favorite cosplays I have ever done is the Generation 1 Optimus Prime I did about 5 years ago. If you guys can see right here, this is actually me. This is a 6 foot tall Optimus Prime, and I can't tell you how amazing. I'm only about 5'5". This thing stands over 6 feet tall. Imagine, I was on top of the world, literally. And I've just been making cosplays ever since. And I started off with EVA foam, working with clay, and now I work in 3D printing. And I learned this all on my own, tried looking for tutorials and everything, and patterns, and I couldn't find anything. So I had to basically use my own imagination and just hope for the best, literally. But then, recently I've been getting a lot of questions. People have asking me, how to do this, how to do that. I do the 3D printing now. What are my settings? How do I cut files? How do I do? And instead of answering questions separate, I decided, let me do videos on YouTube. Let me come back to YouTube, redo my channel, and help you guys and show you what I love to do, and hope that you guys love every part of it as well. And honestly, it's the best thing I have right now. I love 3D printing, making all these helmets. As you guys seen from my previous videos, I've already made a majority of Power Ranger helmets, and I am working on another helmet right now that was suggested by one of my subscribers. And so you guys know I do listen to my subscribers when they're asking to see a specific 3D print made. And if you guys want to see that kind of stuff too, if you have a suggestion of what you want to see me make, I will take your suggestion and make it into a video. And I will name you in the video to thank you for giving me this idea and to showing you how I did it and in the process of everything. So I hope that you guys can follow me in the rest of my journey through Patreon. Give me your support. I do have a couple tiers in there, and I do have some goals, so I hope that you guys check it out, support me. And you don't have to donate if you don't want to, but every little bit counts, even if it's just $1. So I hope that you guys can join me, support me, and continue on this journey with me. Thanks.